We, the jury, duly impaneled in the above entitled action and sworn or affirmed to try the issues herein, find the defendant, Alfredo Castellanos-Rosales, as to count 1, first-degree murder, domestic, murder in the first degree, guilty.
Alfredo Castellanos-Rosales found guilty of first-degree murder in the 2023 death of 23-year-old Jordan Beardshear. That verdict coming just hours ago. KTIV's Katie Koppel joins us in studio tonight. Katie, I know you've been in the courtroom for the duration of this trial. What more can you tell us about the verdict today?
That's right, Matt. The jury was handed that case shortly after noon today, and in just under 2 hours came back with a verdict Jordan Beardshear's family has been waiting for more than 2 years. Guilty of first-degree murder. The jury decided that there was enough evidence to determine beyond a reasonable doubt that he stabbed 23-year-old Jordan Beardshear to death inside her Dakota Dunes apartment on April 25, 2023. Over the last 2 weeks, both the state and the defense presented evidence in the case. The state used text messages, phone calls, and testimony from family and friends of Beardshear to show that Castellanos-Rosales had threatened Beardshear's life in the weeks leading up to her murder. That murder came as he was at her apartment picking up their young son for the night. Now, throughout the trial, Beardshear's family and friends have filled the courtroom in support. When that verdict was read, their emotion and the weight of what they've all went through was evident. I spoke to a few of her family members after the verdict was read about the young woman they knew as Jordy.
I love you, Jordy, and you didn't deserve any of this. You had your life all planned out, and she worked hard. She had ambitions and goals, and for him to take that away from her, again, just shows who he is and shows how powerful she was.
Yeah, she was organized with whatever she wanted to do.
I will have more from her family tonight on News 4 at 10. Now, with a first-degree murder conviction, Castellanos-Rosales faces a sentence of life in prison. He will have that sentencing hearing on August 25th in Union County Court. And of course, you can see my full coverage from the courtroom now at KTIV.com. Matt.
Katie Koppel reporting for us in the studio tonight. Katie, thank you.